Flame bowerbird dance. In the heart of the dense rainforests of New Guinea, a remarkable bird performs an extraordinary courtship ritual. The flame bowerbird, with its iridescent plumage and fiery red breast, weaves a symphony of color and sound to attract a mate. Flame bowerbird kawin. The male bowerbird begins by constructing an elaborate bower, a structure made of sticks and twigs, adorned with colorful flowers, fruits, and feathers. Once his masterpiece is complete, he performs a mesmerizing dance, leaping and twirling, his feathers shimmering in the sunlight. He emits a series of loud calls, mimicking the sounds of other birds and insects, creating a captivating symphony that captivates the female's attention. Birds of paradise mating dance. The female bowerbird, captivated by the male's vibrant display, approaches the bower and inspects it carefully. She assesses the quality of the construction and the variety of decorations, evaluating the male's artistic abilities and his commitment to providing for their future offspring. Flame bowerbird gaker. The male bowerbird's performance is not just a display of beauty and skill, it is also a clever deception. He uses his bright colors and elaborate dance moves to distract the female from his true appearance, which is rather drab and brown. This strategy allows him to focus on showcasing his artistic talents and his ability to provide for his mate, ensuring the success of their mating ritual. Bowerbird flame bowerbird. The flame bowerbird's courtship dance is a testament to the wonders of nature. It is a symphony of color, sound, and movement, a celebration of life and love. It is a reminder that even in the most remote corners of the world, there are extraordinary stories waiting to be discovered.